What if you lost your job tomorrow? How long could you survive? Most people can't cover a $400 emergency without borrowing money. That's not just risky, it's financially dangerous and emotionally draining. Imagine your car breaks down, and you have zero savings. Or a medical bill hits, and your credit card maxes out. Emergencies don't wait for payday, they strike when least expected. But here's the truth, you can prepare, even on a tight budget. Today, I'll show you how to build your emergency fund, step by step. No fluff, no jargon, just real, actionable advice that works. Because peace of mind is worth more than any luxury purchase. Let's break the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, starting right now. Ready to take control of your financial future? Let's begin. Why you need an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, your finances shouldn't be. An emergency fund is your financial safety net, not a luxury. It protects you from debt, stress, and bad decisions. Without it, every crisis becomes a financial disaster. With it, you gain freedom, confidence, and control. Think of it as insurance, but for your peace of mind. It's not about fear, it's about being prepared. Even millionaires keep emergency funds. Why shouldn't you? It's the foundation of every strong financial plan. Before investing, before saving for a house, start here. Because emergencies aren't a matter of if, but when. And when they come, you'll be ready, not panicked. How much should you save? So how much should your emergency fund actually be? Experts recommend 3 to 6 months of living expenses. But don't let that number scare you, it's a long-term goal. Start with $500. Then aim for $1,000. That alone covers most unexpected car or medical bills. Next, calculate your monthly essentials, rent, food, bills. Multiply that by 3, that's your real target. If you spend $2,000 monthly, aim for $6,000 saved. It sounds big, but we'll break it into small steps. Remember, progress beats perfection every single time. You're not saving it overnight, you're building it gradually. And every dollar saved is one less dollar borrowed. Where to keep your emergency fund? Don't stash it under your mattress, or in your checking account. Your emergency fund needs to be safe, separate, and accessible. A high-yield savings account is the perfect place. It earns interest while staying liquid for emergencies. Avoid investing it in stocks, it's not for growth. This money isn't for vacations or shopping sprees. It's for when life throws you a curveball. Keep it out of sight, but not out of reach. Automate transfers so you don't forget or skip. Treat it like a bill you must pay, every month. The goal is security, not temptation or risk. And when you need it, it'll be right there. How to start saving. You don't need a raise to start saving, just a plan. Begin by tracking your spending for 1 full month. Identify leaks, subscriptions, takeout, impulse buys. Cut just $5 a day, that's $150 a month. Redirect that money straight into your emergency fund. Sell unused items online for quick cash boosts. Use cashback apps or rewards to add extra savings. Set a weekly savings goal, even $20 makes a difference. Celebrate small wins, they build momentum and motivation. Saving is a habit, not a one-time event. The key is consistency, not perfection or sacrifice. You're not depriving yourself, you're buying peace of mind. Staying consistent. Building an emergency fund is a marathon, not a sprint. Some months you'll save more, some less, and that's okay. Automate your savings to remove willpower from the equation. Set calendar reminders to review your progress monthly. Visualize your goal, use a tracker or savings jar. Reward yourself when you hit milestones, just not with spending. Tell a friend or partner to keep you accountable. Avoid dipping into the fund unless it's a real emergency. Not a sale. Not a concert. A real emergency. Refill it immediately after using it, no excuses. Make it part of your identity, I'm someone who saves. Because consistency beats intensity every single time. What counts as an emergency? Not every inconvenience is an emergency, be honest with yourself. True emergencies are unexpected, urgent, and necessary. Job loss? Yes. Flat tire? Yes. New iPhone release? Definitely not. Use the 3-question rule before spending emergency funds. Is it unexpected? Is it urgent? Is it essential? If it's not all three, don't touch the fund. Create a separate, fun fund for non-essentials. That way, you protect your emergency savings from temptation. Remember, discipline now means freedom later. Your future self will thank you for saying no today. Emergencies are stressful enough, don't add financial panic. Let's recap. Emergencies are inevitable, but financial chaos isn't. Start small. Stay consistent. Save automatically. Keep your funds separate, safe, and easy to access. Know what counts as an emergency, and what doesn't. Track your progress and celebrate every milestone. You don't need to be rich to be prepared. You just need a plan, and the discipline to follow it. Building an emergency fund is the first step to freedom. It's your shield against life's unexpected storms. And it's the smartest money move you'll ever make. So start today, even if it's just $5. Because $5 saved is better than none. Subscribe for weekly money tips that banks won't tell you. Share this video with someone who needs a financial reset. Comment below, what's your emergency fund goal this year? You've got this, $1, one step at a time. Thanks for watching, and remember, your future is worth protecting. See you in the next video, where we build wealth, together.